Hey everyone, Alex here with Systems Refined, and today I want to talk to you about using Asana for your personal to-do list. As you can see here, I have quite a few things in my to-do list, and but if you look at my completed, I actually have done quite a few as well. So I've been using this for quite a while. What's great about this is when I have a free weekend, such as this weekend, because I was preparing for a hurricane, Hurricane Dorian, that I got a lot of stuff done before the weekend, and then the hurricane is taking a different path, which kind of opened up my weekend. So then I was able to kind of look at my to-do list to see what needed to get done, and went ahead and started completing that. So today, my girlfriend was helping me, and our thing today was to organize the laundry room. So something that I do is I do have custom fields here, and I'm just curious to see if a product was purchased, the status that it is in, and the cost that it, with all materials, what it cost. Now, normally in the description, I will write out everything, but really this was just kind of like cleaning supplies, this desk thing or sorter thing. It is from IKEA, so it cost $170. But anyways, and I just completed it today. So, I mean, I added the task today, or actually yesterday, because I needed to add a couple things on there, and that's what I did. So I just completed it. So I'll go ahead and click on complete, and I'll move those to the complete section too. Now, I know you see this here, it says home projects and list. Now, the reason why I have that is because sometimes this here doesn't really give me a good broad view of what needs to get done. So I actually have another project called home projects list, and it is a list view. So here is everything. What is this supposed to be here? This is supposed to be in the to-do. Sorry about that. So I'll move that. This here shows everything that is currently pending. This is what needs to get done. This is my to-do, and here is all my completed stuff. Now, what I like about this view is I can actually see the cost of everything that it cost me to kind of complete, and when I'm buying stuff. So if I click on the first one, click shift, and then click on the last one, I can actually see that I've spent, oh my god, $10,000 on everything so far. The big one is this one here, is the, I had to grade, level, and sod the backyard. I had to remove a tree and all this other stuff, and that cost me $7,400. And a new door freaking cost me $900, but, and you can see I have updates, I kind of, notes for myself, because especially when it's in pending, things here. Let me look at this one. Build walking path in attic. So it's just, it's too hot. It's way too hot this weekend. Air conditioning issues throughout the house. So I did an energy audit. I sealed all the vents and the returns. I sealed the outlets and switches in every room. I have some recessed lighting that actually doesn't have any covers in the attic. So I need to actually, and I put in here, I need to buy the canned light covers so that I can seal those, and then I can move on to the next one, which is replace the attic soffit grates on the outside of the roof. And I have a dependency here, add insulation to attic, and this is a paid feature as well. But this is kind of how I use my home projects, my to-do list, and it's really helpful for me because I can see what needs to get done, what I'm currently working on, what's pending, and what I actually even completed. So I'd love to see or hear how you use Asana for your to-do list. Leave a comment below, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a like, and click on subscribe to see more of my Asana tips videos.